So as we saw in the last video, ChatGPT can struggle with very minute short form content, especially if you need it to be very conversational. That is why whenever I write Instagram captions for my clients, I like to use a tool that utilizes GPT-3 technology, runs it through filters automatically, and really quickly creates an incredible end product. So I'm going to show you copy.ai. You do have to create an account with them. They're not free. They're a free trial, but very, very cheap. If you're using this professionally, it's so easy to justify just getting this tool and saving yourself the time. I love their Instagram captions feature. So what is your post about? Let's say I'm promoting a 21 Savage show at Continental Club this Friday night. I want to attract 18 to 35-year-olds, and we're running a promotion where you can win 2 free tickets by commenting 21 down below. And then you select a tone, so it can be friendly, luxury, relaxed, professional, bold, adventurous, witty, persuasive, empathetic. I'm going to do witty, see what that comes up with. Okay, it will take a second. It will create this content. 21 Savage at the Continental Club this Friday. I want 18 and 35-year-olds. Okay, no. Come down to Continental Club this Friday to see 21 Savage perform. We're giving away 2 tickets by commenting 21 down below. It's pretty conversational. It's pretty easy. Throw an emoji with that. And so a cool feature of this, the 21 Savage show is this Friday at Continental Club. We're running a promotion where if you comment 21 down below, you'll be entered to win 2 free tickets. Let's get it, 21 Savage. Let's get it. Okay, you can do more like this, and it will generate. Be sure to it'll generate more captions kind of in this style, and and sometimes it produces silly results. Okay, I'm gonna take out 18 to 35-year-old because it thinks it should include that, and it definitely shouldn't. That sounds odd. We're running a promotion, commenting 21 below. It's going to be a great time, and you can have a lot of fun. That's one of his songs. I'm clever. Great content. 21 Savage is coming to Continental this club this Friday night, running a promotion where you can win 2 free tickets by commenting 21 down below. It's going to be a great time. You can have a lot of fun. Okay. It's going to be a great time. You can have a lot of fun this Friday night at Continental Club. Not only will you be supporting local artist 21 Savage, that's incorrect. 2 free tickets. Yeah, so it gives you lots of options. This is great to get the creative juices flowing. If you're kind of promoting something odd or off the wall, this is a great tool. I really use it a lot.